Right, either when you're ready. Today we've got Kean in for driving test, first attempt. He's going to follow in the footsteps of his brother, aren't you?
Hopefully.
His brother passed first time how many miles?
Probably loads more.
No, it's 3 I think.
I don't know.
No, I think you only got 3, I think, with hesitation. Remember right. Right, have you any questions before we start?
No.
Oh, then let's go. No clutch in the day, yeah? Gas and clutch. Stick your window up. How are you feeling then?
I am really nervous.
Are you?
Yeah.
What would you think if you mess it up? It's too expensive to fail, isn't it?
Yeah.
So did your dad give you any tips or advice then?
Not to panic. That counts as tips or advice.
Well, he's right, you don't panic because your brain doesn't work. You see this wall here, look, like a wall there, and people fail there the other week. Got too close with you. Yes, you got a bit close there, didn't you? No, stop. You've never looked over your right shoulder. It's your right shoulder I want. You've looked over your left one. You don't get marked for this one. It's that one I want. Yeah? Try again. It's your right shoulder you need when you're pulling up from the left hand side one, not the left one. That's it. Oh dear. Are you feeling confident?
No.
Are you not? Why?
I don't know.
Oh dear. A bit worried now, you've gone really quiet. You need to focus and concentrate, young man. You're good enough to do it. Both shoulders looking all around the car. Just in case anybody comes walking towards it. Go on, just carry on, don't worry about them. It's good that you've seen them. Keep them observations up. Put a bit right hand down for us. That's lovely. That'll do. Well, we're at the test centre. He's drove quite well. He's a really good driver, but I'm a bit worried about this one. He's gone quite as a church mouse, haven't you? Why is that?
Not gone for it at all.
Why? Oh dear. He's a really good driver, but I don't know. I think the nerves are getting the better of him. So it's time to wish him the very best of luck. I'm going to go for about a couple of minors. If he good, does his best, 1 minor, 2 minors, first time pass. What's your predictions?
A few minors, but hopefully a pass.
He'll pass easy. Concentrate, man. You haven't got time to be nervous, yeah?
Wearing the same shirt that I failed mock testing, by the way.
Yeah.
I saved that just first, if I passed.
Well, we're back off test with my hero. You tell him what you've done, Kean.
I've passed.
How many faults?
3 minors.
3. What were the 4? He should be shot at him, this young man. What were the 2? What were the 4?
The 2 of them checking over my shoulder, and one of them was awareness, Wasn't quite sure where I got done for that, but
Awareness in the planning.
yeah.
Twice he missed his blind spots. He should have had one minor. I've never let you get off with them, do I? What were you doing the hour before the test, missing your
Blind spots.
The minor fault for awareness and planning was he was approaching a junction. There was pedestrians waiting to cross. There was nobody behind, and the examiner said he should have stopped for them. Is that correct?
Yeah.
He said if it had been somebody behind, then it would have been different. But was it hard, or was it easy, or how did you find it?
It was alright. I don't think it was that hard.
Was it not? What?
No.
Oh, well done. You were a bit nervous, weren't you, before?
I was kicking myself.
Why?
I felt like it wasn't going to pass.
Why?
I don't really have confidence in myself.
Hmm?
I don't really have confidence in myself.
Well, I had confidence in you. I wouldn't have took it if I didn't think you would pass. Thought you might have come back with just one or two blinders if I'd known you're forgetting your blind spots. I bet that was easier than my mock test, was it?
Yeah.
My mock test just to get as many hours, to get as many saves faults of you. Fancy not looking over your shoulder. Damn. What he says when he said that?
He didn't. I'm not sure. He didn't say anything throughout the whole test. I'm not like. He didn't say nothing.
Did
Like, he was just literally where I was going.
Oh, he's a good one. He's good. He puts me to shame, that one. No. But he says at the end, I'm very surprised that you didn't look over your shoulder.
Yeah, I should have probably looked.
Yeah, you're going to check that blind spot, haven't you?
I realised when I did it, I realised straight away that I didn't do it as soon as I pulled off.
It wasn't for you, well done. I'll be able to go in the spa now. Where's your brother work?
Sainsbury's.
I'll be able to go in Sainsbury's and hold my head high because I think, God, if he feels that dread going into that Sainsbury's and seeing your brother, I'll be cringing. I thought you would have beat your brother's score, like.